and gentlemen, you're welcome once again to Beehive Facebook Hangout. And we have a very big model 2024 Bauchi State. Yes, what inspired you of becoming a model?
My what?
What inspired you of becoming a model?
Yeah, what actually inspired me to become a model because of I want to show up my uniqueness to the world. Because being a model have to do with you being creative and unique in your own way. Yeah. I want to show the world what I got and what we got here in the north.
Okay, please do a 360 for the camera. Woo! That's so nice. It's nice to have you here, brother. Yes, model 2024 Bauchi State.
And the money they piling day and night. Snaxy is so delicious. Take a sip, feeling it for your health now. Stand up, moving it for the change now. Make a choice, follow it with your heart.
Copy, teaspoon, pour me water. Tea blend, so delicious. Add me sugar. Let's test the feelings. Test the feelings. Let's test the feelings. Test the feelings. So delicious. Delicious tea blend.